What is up, guys? My name is Jaleesa John and I'm an entrepreneur and social media consultant from Trinidad and Tobago. On my YouTube channel, I share strategic business advice as well as the occasional makeup tutorial and style tips. But in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 proven steps business owners, brands, and entrepreneurs can all take if they want to succeed on any social media platform. And I literally mean any platform. These tips will work for LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, your blog, your website, everything. But before we dive into this video, I think it's really important for us to describe or define what success means for us as business owners. Now, the primary reason many of us use social media for our businesses is to generate sales and revenue, right? Our goal is to make more money. And so there's a lot of information out there on the various methods and strategies you can use to succeed on social media platforms. But what I've done is I've taken all of the information that's out there and I've compiled them under just 3 easy to understand actionable steps. I've written about these steps in my books. I've also taught these steps to my students who take my Instagram business bootcamp. So today I'm sharing these 3 steps with you because I know that it's just going to make all of the information out there a lot more easier for you to understand. Now, step 1 for succeeding on any social media platform is to be found. Now, I know this may seem like a no-brainer, but before you can actually generate sales through social media, people have to know that your business exists. At this stage, regardless of what social media platform you use, it requires you to optimize your profile. That means having a username with keywords that people are going to use to find you, having a good profile picture, creating original content, collaborating with others, having a good about section, and all of the other things that you need to do to help get eyeballs on your profile and ultimately on your business. Now, once people start finding you on social media, you want to be an account worth finding. You want to be an account where people click follow, connect, or subscribe. So in order for you to be an account worth finding, you have to create original content that is compelling enough to get your target audience to stick around. And so at this stage, your focus should be on creating content that is interesting and appealing to your target audience. To do this, simply put yourself in your target audience's shoes and ask yourself, what type of content would I like to see if I am my customer and I came to this profile? And then you want to use your answer to guide your content creation efforts. What this will do is decrease the number of people bouncing off of your social media platform, just like they do on a website, and increase the number of people that are actually wanting to learn more about your business. So when people visit a website and they don't find what they expected to find on their website, they immediately click X or exit. In the same way, you don't want people to find you on the explore page or through hashtags or on the trending page, and when they come to your profile, they don't like what they see, and so they immediately exit, right? You want people to be compelled or intrigued by what they find on your profile, so much so that they actually decide to stick around and connect or subscribe or follow you, right? You don't want them to be disappointed in what they see and then leave. You want them to stay. So make sure that your content matches people's expectations. Now, once you've grown a healthy list of followers, subscribers, connections, whatever, on social media, you'll want to start funneling those followers. And this is step number 3. This is the stage where you turn followers into customers. And at this stage, the content you post should drive followers through the various stages of the buyer's journey. Now, if you're not familiar with the concept of funnels and the buyer's journey, you can definitely check out this video here for more information on that. But what you want to do in a nutshell is basically create content that answers all of your ideal customers' questions as to why they should purchase or use your product or service. And so by understanding these 3 steps, you will be able to identify what stage you're on and where your focus should be. As I said before, there is so much information out there on the internet, on social media marketing, but I hope by me breaking it down into just 3 steps, it made it easier for you guys to understand how social media marketing and content marketing actually works. Remember, within each step, there would be multiple micro steps or things you have to do. But once you keep these 3 steps at the top of your mind, you will be able to navigate and succeed on any social media platform. Now, if you would like more information on the Instagram Business Bootcamp, when I will be launching it again and when you can sign up, I will recommend to you guys to follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description of this video as well as in the comments section, so definitely check that out. As usual, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I wish you guys a world of success, and I'll see you in my next video.